but I'm not sure if I came here or not.
Usually E4 is like there's no seat.
I know E5 the aircon also.
The aircon and the EDS format.
Wait, you adjust.
Who pressed the bell?
Genuinely don't know.
There's no DAC DAC chime.
It's a UOV actually.
Not bad, not bad.
Well, it was slightly older than the first Volvo B90Ls.
It's a mix of both orange and yellow, if I'm not wrong.
Wait, so what mixes orange
I don't.
Tangerine
and tangerine?
6158R53. Cause I do this every time.
Yeah, it's going either way. Oh, stop ruining our recording.
Is that ghost over here?
I think they're waiting for 53 blue buttons. Why do you face it down? Stop crying out loud, bro. Please don't break down.
Bus is moving on. Hold tight.
Now the audience are gonna think that's a real announcement.
What is on time?
On time is green color.
Oh, the
meter.
Trappist CMFS.
If we leave too early, we will lose passengers.
Oh.
Then next month will be more worse.
Croydon
Will be worse. Sorry, my English. Sorry, I'm very particular with my English.
Miss Ock.
No, it's just the location.
Ow.
You are literally pressing against a wall.
Don't worry, it's gonna sustain. What are you doing?
That would be too loud.
What happened to all the pathlighters though?
They bought the previous bus, but it was really crowded.
Oh my god.
Yeah, at least
Luckily, we bought the bus that is not crowded.
Ah,
I agree.
I love this.
I love it. I actually I can. Good for recording and all. What would be an ideal 45 SG bus livery?
Lush green. Call it lush green.
Lush green, sorry.
Existed since 28 May 2016.
Eh.
That's why I also started to become a bus enthusiast, if I'm not wrong.
Because you like the lush green?
No, puke. Puke green, piss yellow, blood red, and whatever blue. According to Ricky's identification guide to Uno No Mercy. Piss yellow?
Piss on yellow. I swear, bro, every time you do this.
After school, I'll put this on YouTube if I can.
But we had to edit some first.
Yup.
Because some of the footage is like shaky. And I don't like it being distracted.
I don't mind as long as I can hear the motor, the engine.
I worry about the camera.
There. Good luck. Yes, math exam.
Oh, damn.
43 questions. Just use AI to cheat on the exam.
What the hell?
That's what Ricky said. That's what Ricky said.
Man, that's how Ricky that he's stupid. Oh, you get out and then you go to 45.
Departing. Okay.
Oh, wait, today I'm staying back at school.
Huh?
Stay back at school today.
Why?
Workshop. Don't worry, I'll upload the video.
How many goddamn workshops?
Last week.
Okay, oh fair. So before 7:30 before 7:30 we try to like put in all the details and
I can try my best to put on the details, you know.
Caden, what happens to the next bus?
Holy red. I know.
holy luckiness we got. They should have meant 824. Operating for us. Man 824 is better. Seletar.
Isn't most of the man 895 not from Seletar?
SBS Transit Man 824s, all of them are for Seletar, so there's a good chance, there's a relatively 50-50 chance that we could. Yeah.
Yes, but the 50-50 is right now. I need 240 is needed. Fucking needed. detail on the lush green.
Oh, I never seen that before.
Actually, never seen that before. Never seen that before.
Okay, the lush green SG.
That's actually
No,
so
5-4. 5-4, not 1-4.
That is actually so cool. By the way, bro, remember the timer for my car.
Okay.
Actually, no, let me go.
Okay, now you take over.
You go to the exit. Press the bell. Yeah, we're lighting. Who are you talking to just now, boy?
I did not do anything.
Yeah, totally. Alright, go. Alright, exit first. Okay, let's time exit. Kaylan.
Oh, what's 770? Yeah, probably 710.
It's best if you guys run. No, it's even best for any time to run because like